Hi there! We're going to go over Unit 8, Project number 4, working with multiple worksheets. You will have to have your completed Excel spreadsheet from Project number 3 to continue with this. As you can see, this is the same spreadsheet that we've been working on for Project number 1, number 2, and number 3, and now number 4. So what we're going to do with this is create some multiple worksheets. Okay, all you need to do to add some worksheets is to come down here, click on that button. It asks us to create 4 worksheets. Now we're going to rename them. So I'll just click on sheet number 1. You just do right click, rename. And then we just type in, the first one is source data. Sheet 2, right click, rename by mobster. Sheet 3, right click, rename by activity. If I can spell it right, there we go. And then, excuse me, sheet 4, right click, rename other. Now we're going to come back to the original source data. We're going to move this information to the by mobster sheet. As you can imagine, we are going to copy and paste. We're going to remove this, paste it on the by activity worksheet, and then this right here is going over to other. So what we want to do is copy this whole thing. So highlight, right click, not copy. We're going to cut it. Click on by mobster. Just come up to that cell right there, right click, paste. Now, as you can see, these are have turned to pound signs. All that means is there's not enough room for the whole number. And so we're just going to come right up here. When it turns into that symbol with a vertical line and 2 arrows, I'm going to click and drag to make that big enough to fit. Also over here, you can see kind of the same thing. So I'm going to highlight all of that and come up here. Still not quite enough. There we go. Okay, so make sure that you resize your cells to be able to fit the whole number or the whole word. Okay, we're going to come back to source data. We're going to highlight, cut, come to activity, do the same thing. We're going to come up here, right click, paste. We're going to need to resize this again. Make it just a little bit bigger. There we go. And same here. There we go. And now we're going to come back to source data. We're going to cut, come to other worksheet, and paste. As you can see, we need to resize this as well. And there we go. Now that's going to do it. Just rename this project number 4. Source data should look like this. By mobster, by activity, and other. So, like I said, just save it as project number 4 and you're ready to submit. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful.